In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for writing emails with a Gmail extension. This can be a real game changer for those looking to streamline their email communication. Let's get started right away. First, make sure you're on your browser. This setup works best with Google Chrome due to the integration of extensions. Once you're in your Chrome browser, head over to your Gmail. You'll want to look for the Google Apps icon, which you'll find on the top right corner, resembling a grid. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down list, you should see the option to go to the Chrome Web Store. You'll want to click on that option because that's where we'll find the necessary extension. It opens up a treasure trove of tools that enhance your browsing and productivity experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top left. Type in ChatGPT Writer and hit enter. This search will bring up several results, but look specifically for the extension named ChatGPT Writer. When you found the ChatGPT Writer extension, go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. This button is usually highlighted to make it easy to spot. A confirmation dialog box pops up next, asking if you're sure about adding the tool. Confirm by clicking on Add Extension and the installation will commence. In just a few moments, a new icon should appear on your Chrome toolbar. However, before you can fully utilize the tool, you will be prompted to either log in or sign up for a free account with ChatGPT. Complete this step, which involves simply following the on-screen instructions to create or access your account. Once you're successfully connected, open a new tab and navigate back to your Gmail. With the extension now active, you're all set to see it in action. Begin by clicking on the Compose button to draft a new email, or alternatively, click on an existing email if you want to craft a reply. Looking up to your toolbar, you'll see the ChatGPT icon. Click on it to activate the extension. Here you can enter a brief description of the email you want to write, or if you're editing an email, you can copy and paste the existing text for revision. This is where the magic happens. After describing or pasting your content, look for the button, typically marked Generate or something similar, to get ChatGPT to start drafting your email. It produces a polished draft based on the input you've provided. Now you can either directly insert or copy this generated text into your email draft. Finally, review the draft to ensure it matches your intended message. Make any final edits you see fit, and voila! Your email is ready to send. With these steps, writing emails becomes a breeze. Enjoy the efficiency and happy emailing.